Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this Gurudwara style Kada Prasad or Aate ka Halwa. And Kada Prasad is usually served in Gurudwara during Langar or almost on everyday basis, and this tastes so good and it is so easy to make. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a pan take 2 cups of water. To that add 1 cup of sugar. Heat and bring it to a boil. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes and then turn off the heat and keep it aside. Now in another pan take 1 cup of ghee. When it's hot add 1 cup of atta or whole wheat flour. Ghee is to atta is to sugar quantity should be 1:1:1 and water quantity should be twice. And now roast the flour till it's caramel brown in color like so. Then gradually add the sugar syrup and keep mixing. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes more. The mixture thickens after some time and the ghee starts getting released from the sides and the mixture starts separating from the pan. At this stage our halwa or Kada Prasad is ready. Turn off the heat and serve it warm. You can also add dry fruits of your choice or elaichi powder if you want, but in Gurudwara it is made like so. So I have made it as it is traditionally made and it tasted so good. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.